Hey there! So, let's dive into a little tech problem that some of you might have faced before. The problem we're tackling today involves connectivity issues with an API due to restrictions in a specific country, in this case, Iran. The challenge lies in not being able to change the API URL because it's embedded in an encoded PHP file with Ion Loader. Tricky, right? Now, on to the solution. The sweet relief that comes with finding a workaround. The key here is to use the D option in iptables to match the destination IP address. By specifying the original destination address, which in this case is 1.1.1.1 is resolved through echos, you can ensure the port forwarding is targeted to that specific IP. This way, you can redirect your requests without affecting other traffic to your VPS on port 443. Simple, yet effective. In wrapping up, we've tackled the problem of dealing with connectivity issues for an API in a specific country. By cleverly manipulating iptables and leveraging the D option, we've successfully redirected our requests to the desired endpoint without disrupting regular traffic. Voilà! Problem solved. Remember to subscribe, like, and comment below with your thoughts or any tricky tech problems you've encountered. Until next time, happy troubleshooting!